Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to discuss ABC of Physics 5. Some questions are as follows. The first question is, what are unit vectors? Answer is, a unit vector is a vector that has a magnitude of exactly 1 and points in a particular direction. It lacks both dimension and unit. Its sole purpose is to point, that is, to specify our direction. Second question is, what is Newtonian mechanics? Answer is, the relation between a force and the acceleration it causes was first understood by Isaac Newton, whose birth was in 1642 and death in 1727. The study of that relation, as Newton presented it, is called Newtonian mechanics. Third question is, what is the principle of superposition for forces? Answer is, force is a vector quantity and thus has not only magnitude but also direction. So, if two or more forces act on a body, we find the net force or resultant force by adding them as vectors. A single force that has the same magnitude and direction as the calculated net force would then have same effect as all the individual forces. This fact is called the principle of superposition for forces. Next question is, what are conservative forces? Answer is, a force is a conservative force if the net work it does on a particle moving around any closed path from an initial point and then back to that point is zero. Equivalently, a force is conservative if the net work it does on a particle moving between 2 points does not depend on the path taken by the particle. The gravitational force and the spring force are conservative forces. The kinetic frictional force is a non conservative force. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.